Hello friends, this is Rajiv and today's video I am going to show how to create 3D pop-up effect in Photoshop. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I open the image and go to open, choose both image, do open and go to first image and do Ctrl A, Ctrl C and go to second image, Ctrl V, Ctrl T and reduce the photo size according to screen like this. Press enter and now we have to go select and select subject. You can see the subject part is selected. Now go to select and mask and use press OK and we have to remove this part because this is the extra part. So press Alt and drag it, select the selection and delete it. After that do mask of selected part like this and do Ctrl J to duplicate this layer, and now both the layer switch off and select background layer and select pen tool to select screen of the phone like this. Press enter and open the first layer, select mask and select brush. Please confirm the white is selected and use the brush. Now do Ctrl I now Ctrl D to deselect, select photo and select clone tool, reduce the brush size and we can fill the blank area. Like this. You can see this line looking very stretched. So double click on the mask and increase the feather like this. I think this is good. And after that I create a new layer and press and fill the black color and go to blending mode to choose soft light and reduce the opacity and select the eraser tool and set according which area you want like this. After that I open lens flare image, Ctrl A, Ctrl C and go to main file and paste it and drag on the top and go to blending mode, use screen mode and press Ctrl T, increase the size and set according to design and reduce the opacity. I think this is looking good and select eraser tool and remove that part like this and create a new layer and click on that mask like this. Fill the black color and do Ctrl T and do flip vertical press Ctrl and go to blending mode. Use soft light and reduce the opacity like this, and use eraser tool and remove some parts of shadow. Open the layer and you can see with very simple steps. So finally 3D pop-out effect is ready in Photoshop. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. So I will see you in the next tutorial with new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.